welcome to Edukemy's YouTube channel. Myself Karuna Mishra, and I will be continuing with my government scheme series. I have already concluded the agriculture sector. You can check that out. Within the 5 videos you get all the important schemes for my agriculture. Apart from that, I have also made a small video on Aadhaar, especially for students who find it difficult to get all the information on Aadhaar, as it has been asked multiple times. We have discussed the previous year questions also in that video. Today we are starting the series for my finance sector after my agriculture. One area which is repeatedly asked is the finance sector and especially financial inclusion. So I will be starting with 2 important series which were designed and aimed for financial inclusion, which was Pradhanmantri Yojana and Atal Pension Yojana, right? So coming to my first series, which is my Pradhanmantri Yojana, the scheme had the clear objective for promoting financial inclusion. It simply wanted that each Indian should be part of the structural banking sector, especially focusing on the women who did not have any bank account. So I had women in my mind. Apart from that, I had the unorganized sector. So I see that these are 2 areas within my society, or 2 group of people within my society who generally find it difficult to have financial independence and also to have some sort of savings when they need. So they go to money lenders and exorbitant interest rates are charged upon that. We have seen it all. There are endless Bollywood movies on that, in which there is a Sukhi Lala charges a lot of interest rate and my entire land is gone and all of that. So the first step is to have a bank account, and then you can be part of the formal banking that was envisaged within my Pradhanmantri Yojana. So what does it say? It says that any person who does not have any bank account can open an account. What kind of account it will be? It will be a savings bank account. It will be a savings bank account in any bank branch as well as with my Bank Mitra outlet. So I am opening these accounts within the banks as well as my Bank Mitra outlet. Who all are eligible? Anyone and everyone. Anyone and everyone, that is each household across the country, urban, rural, all of them will be covered under the scheme, and there will be no minimum balance. So these will be no frill accounts, no minimum balance, 0 accounts, all of them are same. My Pradhanmantri Yojana will provide a bank account for anyone and everyone without any minimum bank requirement. It is also part of my JAM Trinity, right? So my the Prime Minister said that I will make this country tech savvy. I will integrate the entire welfare sector by Janadhan, Aadhaar and mobile. So basically I am providing a single platform for the governance through these 3 things. So Janadhan is part of the JAM Trinity. So coming to the benefits which this scheme is providing, so I am getting a Rupee debit card with accidental insurance of up to 2 lakh rupees. So I am not just providing you a card, I am also providing you the insurance here. Along with that, I am giving you the overdraft facility. Very important for the unorganized sector, and this limit has been increased from 5,000 to 10,000 recently. These 2 are 2 very important benefits from my Janadhan account. Apart from that, I will be using this Janadhan account, the main reason for direct transfer or direct benefit transfer. So this was the main aim of opening all these accounts, that I want to directly give the subsidies, I want to directly give the benefit to my Indians in their accounts. So what all schemes are covered within the Pradhanmantri Janadhan accounts is Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, which is a insurance scheme. Then Pradhanmantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, which is an accidental insurance cover scheme. I have Atal Pension Yojana, which we will be discussing further, and Mudra, which is for financing the small industries and small enterprises. All of this will be covered within my Pradhanmantri Janadhan Yojana. So I had this vision that I will open the bank accounts and check leakages and corruption by directly putting the money to the beneficiaries which are part of these schemes and also of the other schemes. So we will be discussing our next scheme, which is Atal Pension Yojana, very beautifully designed. The motive was to bring all the people who are not part of some statutory social security scheme. What do I mean by this? That they are not having any source of income post their retirement or post they attain the age of 60. For say they are not part of some formal sector, they are not part of, let's say, any organization which provides pension, they are not part of the organization which has the provident fund, etc. So the future is not secured. So the government has created this yojana, which is Atal Pension Yojana, in which all the people who have a bank account and are not part of any statutory social security scheme can avail the benefits of pension by paying a certain premium. Now, what is the minimum age for getting the benefits of this scheme is 18 years. So, you have to be at least 18 years and less than 40 years. You cannot be more than 40 years of age. You have to pay a certain premium every month and you will start receiving pension once you have reached the age of 60. For a change, this does not include below poverty line or other such criteria. All it is saying is, if you are not part of any other scheme which is giving you a pension, anyone and everyone can be part of Atal Pension Yojana. So the objective here is delivering old age income security. The objective is old age income security. What was the group which was kept in mind? Again, it is not exclusive, but what was the targeted group? One of the important ones is the workers which are part of the unorganized sector. It is very difficult for these people to have some sort of income security once they reach the age of 60 or once they are not able to work and earn money. It is overlooked, or it is the scheme within the Ministry of Finance. It is a central sector scheme, and the features of this scheme are: first, the monthly pension between 1000 to 5000 rupees. So first is my monthly pension. How much? It can vary between 1000 rupees per month to 5000 rupees per month. So since the income is varying, the premium also varies. For example, if you want a pension of just 1000 rupees, the premium will be less. If it is 3000, it will be slightly more, but this premium will be same throughout the country. It will not be that Uttar Pradesh has a different premium for getting 5000 rupees pension, Tamil Nadu has something else. It will be uniform. Second is, the same pension is payable to the spouse in case there is the death of subscriber. So if the subscriber dies, the same pension will be given to the spouse as well. Apart from that, if both the subscriber and spouse, if both of them are dead, what am I going to do? In this case, the entire amount, it is not pension, but the amount or the wealth will go to the nominee. The entire wealth or the amount will go to the nominee and not in the form of pension. And whatever is the interest which is decided by the government. Now, what is the authority or what is the organization? It is the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, which overlooks the functioning of Atal Pension Yojana. Aadhaar is mandatory here. Now, if you can recall from the Aadhaar video, it was one of the criticism that you do not have a uniformity. You have different kind of schemes and you make Aadhaar whether mandatory or optional according to your whims and fancies, but it is not so. Government says that we have kept Aadhaar mandatory here because we need to be assured that the pension amount is going to the right person. It should reach the right person, it should reach the right beneficiary, and it should not be lost or be used by someone else. So therefore, they have kept the Aadhaar mandatory. Apart from that, the Atal Pension Yojana shall be eligible for the tax benefits similar to the national pension system. So I will also get the tax benefits within my Atal Pension Yojana. So these are the two schemes which I have covered today from the financial sector. We will be covering more schemes. Till then, stay tuned. You can check out the other schemes as well and keep studying. I hope these are helping you in your prelims. Thank you very much.